welcome back, and today we are going to make a program which is info collector, and in this program our computer will also chat with the user. So let's start. So our first line will be name, which is a variable. Name is equals to input, and then a opening parenthesis, a apostrophe, and name, and then colon. And then print hello and then a comma and the variable, so that whatever the user's name is, it will type hello and then the user's name. Now the phone number. So phone is equals to input and then opening parenthesis and apostrophe and phone number. And then a colon and a closing bracket. And then print so your phone number is, and then a comma and phone, which is a variable as we already know, and then a closing bracket. Now the last thing, which is email. So email is equals to email is equals to input and then email. Now print so it will print okay, you will receive a message on your mail which will be by me. Now let me save it and run it. So we will click shift and left click and then open PowerShell window here. Now we will type Python info collector .py. So I am typing the name coding world. As you can see, here it prints hello coding world, and now phone I am typing like this only. Now as you can see, it printed, oh, so your phone number is, and then the numbers I have typed, and now the last email. So I am typing like this only, your @gmail.com. Okay, you will receive a message on your mail which will be by me. Thank you.